Want to make money online using only AI? No experience, no heavy skill requirement, and totally remote. Today I'm showing you 3 AI tools that actually pay you for simple tasks, and you can start now from anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sign up, how much you can earn, and what to watch out for. Let's get started. The first type of AI tool that pays you is AI data labeling and annotation platforms. These platforms are used to train machine learning models. They need people worldwide to do simple tasks, label images, transcribe audio, text, validate data, tag objects, etc. Why it works for beginners. No special skill required. Just basic computer, internet, attention to detail. Works globally. Many platforms accept users from multiple countries. Pay per task or per hour. You can earn from $5 up to $25 per hour depending on speed and quality. How to get started. Sign up on trusted platforms. Look for global payout options. Complete any required qualification test, usually simple. Pick tasks that pay decently and match your time zone. Consistency. Doing several small tasks daily can add up. This is one of the easiest AI-powered jobs out there. Ideal if you just want income and don't want to create content or invest a lot of time. The second tool, or combination of tools, is AI writing content creation platforms plus freelance marketplaces. Here's how it works. Use powerful AI writing tools, like advanced chatbots or template-based content generators, to generate articles, blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, etc. Polish it lightly, basic editing, formatting, maybe human tweaks. Offer writing content creation services on freelance marketplaces, or sell content directly. Because the heavy lifting is done by AI, writing, formatting, even ideas, you mainly add touches of human editing and deliver. Earning potential. Entry level. Approximate $10 to $25 per article gig. Intermediate. Once you build a reputation, $50 to $150 plus per long-form article or content bundle. Consistent work and volume can push earnings to $500 to $1,000 per month or more. How to start. Find a robust AI writing tool. Create a portfolio, maybe 2 to 3 sample articles. Post gigs on platforms like freelancer sites, content marketplaces, or social media. Market yourself as AI-powered content creator. Clients often love speed plus low cost plus quick delivery. This method works well if you like writing or are willing to edit, but don't want to spend hours writing manually. The third AI earning method is more creative. Use AI to create digital products or services, then sell or resell them. This includes prompt packs or prompt templates for chatbots, content creation, marketing, social media. Automating small tasks and offering them as a service, e.g. social media posting, content repurposing, editing plus AI. Selling digital services like AI-edited videos, AI-written scripts, AI-generated designs, all via marketplaces. Why this works well. Zero inventory needed. Digital product. High margin. Once created, you can sell many times. Global audience. Digital products are sold worldwide. Scalable. Once you have workflow, you can automate, outsource, and scale up. Revenue examples. A prompt pack or template sold for $5 to $20. Small but can accumulate if volume is high. Freelance gigs combining AI plus manual tweaks, $50 to $200 per order. Recurring clients who want regular output can push monthly income significantly. Steps to start. Decide what digital product or service you'll offer, e.g. prompt pack, content repurposing, video editing, design. Use AI tools to create a base product, prompt, script, template, etc. Polish it, proofread, format, design cover. List on marketplaces or freelance platforms, or directly reach out to clients. Deliver and gather reviews. Build credibility. This method is ideal if you want to build a side business rather than hourly work. Here's how to decide which method suits you best. Want quick start? Minimal skills? Choose AI data labeling microtasks, Tool 1. Comfortable writing, editing? Choose AI-assisted writing, Tool 2. Want scalable income or semi-passive business? Choose digital product to service approach, Tool 3. You can even combine 2 or all 3 methods. Many people do to diversify income. Bonus tip, always track earnings versus time. Pick tools that give best hourly value for your region. Call to action plus outro, 7 to 7:30. Voiceover. Want me to build a free list of 10 AI tools and sign up links that pay globally? Comment AI tools below and I'll drop it for you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get weekly tips on AI side hustles, automation income, and remote work. See you in the next video. Happy earning!